Snap. Snap your
Cruise. Bombing on any of them niggas that want to smoke. Nigga, this a big boy phantom, this ain't a ghost.
Alright, y'all. What it do, what it is. Today, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to put on a lace front. And the hair that I'm using. You gotta get out. Jenny. Shh. Shh. Like I was saying. The hair that I'm gonna use is from Melissa, but this is her hair. And I'm gonna put a clip in showing y'all the wig, but I got a 12-inch because you know it's something new for me to try a short wig. So I'm gonna let y'all see the wig. So what? Huh? What? Huh? Okay, so you're gonna take your BW powder and your developer. I choose 40 because I don't have all night. I want to get this on and get it over with, even though I know it's gonna take forever. Okay. Shush. Okay. So I'm gonna take my powder. It's upside down. Yes, I know. Leave me alone. First, you don't want a I sound ghetto. You don't want So you don't want a soupy consistency because it will leak. It will leak through the lace and probably transfer. No, not probably. It will transfer on to the hair. Don't mind my measuring cup because I couldn't find my mixing thing, okay? Don't even start with me, okay? Okay, so this is the kind of consistency I want. Y'all don't want to thick. Hi. Y'all want this kind of consistency. Y'all don't want a watery consistency. Okay. Also in the packet, the shipper gave me a cap. So what we're gonna do now is put the cap on. Please don't do my braids. I know. Don't say nothing. I know. So don't do my braids. This is what you mix with the thick consistency.
Are you dumb?
With the thick consistency. And you wanna place it on your knots. Not your hair unless you're trying to change the color. But you're gonna put it on the knots. Okay? Now that's what we're gonna do. This stuff is strong, so don't stand too close, like me, cause it's strong. I'm done. Don't be like me. Now that we got it covered like this, I hate when they put their hair inside the thing. Cover it, we're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna put our cap on. Ooh, this thing fit. Ooh. Alright, so, but we don't want it to cover our eyes. So you're gonna take your Got to Be Blue spray, and you're gonna spray it around the edges so that it stays. And then you're gonna go in with the blow dryer and blow dry the lid. Okay, so my idea was not smart to do that. Anyways, well, put it over my eyes. Okay, so you're gonna poke some holes in the ears. You're gonna do exactly this. Both ears. Now you're gonna poke holes in both ears. You want to pull it back just a little bit, because nobody want to hair like that all the way down your forehead. You get me? Okay, so you see if it's lifting up like this, you just want to take your scissors, don't play with scissors, and lay them flat on your skin like this and cut off the excess. Bleached it just a little too much. I left it on for too long. I got sidetracked and I left it on for too long. But don't worry, a little black dot can take it and see where you want your stuff to fall. And if it covers your ears, you're gonna want to cut that too, because you don't want an uncomfortable wig, because that is really they blonde, okay? I left it on for too long. It ain't nothing some dye can't fix if I dye it. So I'm gonna have to cut it like right up here. I'm tired of talking. I'll just do a voiceover. At this point, the house was getting a little more noisy, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover. So just take your makeup and put it over the front part of the cap where your hair is. Okay, now you're gonna take your wig and you're gonna put it on, and you're gonna see where you need to cut it so that the cap nor the lace would be sitting on your ears, making your wig uncomfortable. Now that your wig fits your head nice and snug, you're going to pull the flap back and begin to apply your Ghost Bond around your edges. After you finish applying your first coat, you're going to take the back of your tweezers or even a popsicle stick and smooth out the dots. Now you're going to use your blow dryer and blow dry it for a little bit just to speed up the process. And once you're done with that, you're going to apply your second coat. Now here's where you pull down your lace and make sure all the glue is inside of the lace so that it sticks and that it stays down. Use your comb instead of your finger so that your finger doesn't get stuck to the lace. This be the favorite part, you know what I mean? So right here I'm just cutting some slits instead of cutting the whole lace with scissors. I tried this technique since I seen it and it was way easier. I don't know what you guys call these, but we're gonna take this razor and cut the lace. Okay, so ignoring the fact that my roots are bleached, what lace? Alright, so I'm just putting some water and mousse in my hair just to see how they look. And it's looking pretty good, pretty good. Don't say nothing about my roots. I already know. I don't think I'm gonna change them. They look kind of cute. So right here, I'm just playing in it, seeing how I want to style it. I already knew I wanted the side part, so that's what I was going for. But I still just played in it. Like I said, discard my roots, but what lace, sweetie?